How to add an Instagram preview to Slack. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open Slack and go to the workspace where you want to add Instagram previews. Click on Apps and search for Zapier or IFTTT. 2. Choose an automation platform and connect it to both Slack and Instagram. You may need to log in and authorize access. 3. Create a new automation, selecting Instagram as the trigger. This will allow Slack to receive updates when new posts are made. 4. Set Slack as the action, choosing a channel where Instagram previews will appear. You can select a public or private channel. 5. Customize the message format. Add placeholders for the Instagram post link, caption, and an image preview if available. 6. Test the integration by posting on Instagram. If set up correctly, Slack will automatically display a preview in the selected channel. 7. Adjust settings if needed in the automation app to refine the message or limit notifications to certain types of posts.